So I'm not showing my face, but this is to Gail and Naomi a little bit. So here, A B C D E F you and your mom and your sister and your job and your broke car and then you call art. You and your friends that I'll never see again. Everybody but your dog you can all golf. Swear I meant to mean the best when it ended. Even tried to bite my tongue when you started. You dated a girl that I hate for the attention. She only made it 2 days out of connection. It's like you do anything for my attention. Going all about it in the worst way. I was into you, but I'm over it now. And I was trying to be nice, nothing's getting through, so let me spell it out. A, B, C, D, E, F, you and your mom and your sister and your job and your broke and a car and your car. You and your friends that I'll never see again. Everybody but your dog, you can all off. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. A B C D E F U